Everything is red. Delicious. It's spicy chicken. Fried noodles. Ketchup. I will eat like that. Fried noodles with chicken. Delicious. I have nothing to drink. I'm hungry. What should I eat first? I will eat chicken. Why does food turn black? Ah, I got it. Delicious. Noodles also turn black. It's magic. La 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 la. Coca is coming. Fried chicken mixed with coca is the best. Why does my food turn black? Number 1. Sour and sweet. Drink coca. Like Hoopa Poopa. It's coca flavor. What should I do? Wow! Like Pringles. That girl fainted. Now I'm going to eat all of this. I'll let you know. Why is it so spicy? You so Wow, I have a lot of pink food. Yan yan cake. Wow. Why does she have a lot of food? I believe those noodles. Fragrant. I wanna eat that. Pork rib noodles. So spicy. It turns blue. Spring drink is so good. Where's my noodles? The next one is pink yan yan cake. Yay! Wow, it turns blue again. Why is there no water left? That is a sound. Luckily, she didn't find out. Hoopa Poopa. Blue Hoopa Poopa. I come back. Blueberry is the best. I will let Holly candy. Her food is so good. I want it. Why is Hoopa Poopa here? I don't want to eat this candy. I prefer eating Hoopa Poopa. But I will add this spicy sauce. city. Wow, I will eat pink Pringles. Wow, pink jelly. Come closer, closer. Delicious. Too much jelly. So I have to put it away. Ready. But it can't turn into a snake. Here's the reason. Don't touch me. Why am I here? What happened? I will eat all of them. I don't want to be here. Give it to me. Give it to me. Bye-bye. Who are you? So it is Mimi. Hey, you. What is that? Give it to me. So it is potatoes. What's inside the box? A lot of food. It's on snack. It's mine. This is Elsa. Give it to me. It's Elsa. Elsa's snack. Amazing, right? Mimi! You turned into Elsa. Wow. It's definitely from eating snack. I like that. Oh, what is that? It's Maleficent. Oh, wow! Lily! What's up? You turned into her. I am the most powerful woman in this forest. Wow! This black food. This is yellow food. I like black. Wow! It's hot dog noodles. It's tteokbokki. I like it the best. Oh? Luckily. So spicy. It is you? Witches are always evil. Wow, look at that, Lily. Do you have that? Look at me. I have a diamond ring. Give it to me. Delicious. Lily. Boom. Mimi, let me go. I'm sorry, Mimi. Spider-Man. I become the strongest now. Hey, is that wrong? Captain America is the strongest one. Spider-Man is stronger. Captain America is stronger. Wow. Now let's compete to see who is stronger. Let's go. Yeah, I win. I'm winner. So, the prize for the winner is the last snack. I can't stand it. Why? Ooh la la, ooh la la. Let's see me. Mimi, let me go. I don't want to be here. Have fun in it. Mimi. I don't want to be a potato. Hi. Rainbow food. Let's play the game to find out who is taking more candy. Okay, I'm not afraid. Let's go. Hands up. Stop. Now let's count who's take more. 16, 17, 23. Yay! Why do I only have 18? Great punishment! Yay! Sour spray! I hate it! Let's continue. Dolphin Jolly Race! Let's go! Yeah! No, Lily, you dropped the jelly outside. Yay! So we both lose. We lose. Punishment is sour candy. Sour. Rainbow syrup jelly. I will add this here. Wow. Green color. Adding popping candy. Green popping candy. Raw popping candy. So great. But what a bad color. I don't wanna drink. It looks bad. Whoever loses has to drink. One, two, three. Yay! It's delicious. Really? Let me try it. Give it to me. It's mine. Challenge. Who is faster? Let's go. Yeah! I win. Punishments for Lily. Sour. Rainbow jelly. I choose red. I choose blue. Yeah. Delicious. It's strawberry. It's blueberry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, Lily and Mimi. I'm coming. Lily, look at that. Rainbow ice cream party. Wow. I choose orange. Wow. With sauce, chocolate. Wow. Give it to me, Mimi. Yeah. Oh, a great combination. I wanna eat them. Wow, delicious. The next one is yellow mustard sauce. I will pick green ice cream. No. That's it, Mimi. That's it. Disgusting. It's break cream. I like it. Yeah. I choose red ice cream. Pick me. It's mine. I choose blue ice cream, and the sauce is super spicy. Don't choose me, don't. I'm lucky I don't have to try. So spicy. Fifth ice cream, purple. And topping is red and pink. Add candy to ice cream. Yeah, delicious. Pick me, please. Wow! Give it to me. What is that? Lily is always eating delicious food. So good. It's so unfair. What is that? It's Santa Claus. I have to go get Justin. Oh, Mel. Wow. I have a stomachache. Let's find a restaurant. So refreshing. Where's my magic candy?